Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Install Autocad 2024 and set units to millimeters and tolerances to 0. 1 mm for mechanical work. Choose ANSI or ISO templates that match your shop standards. Configure the grid, snap, ortho, and object snap settings for repeatable precision. Spend at least 1 hour per day and aim for 100 hours of focused practice to gain proficiency, logging projects and mistakes. Learn the 2D drafting interface, command line, layers, and precise snapping before tackling 3D modeling or assemblies. Master drawing commands: line, polyline, circle, arc, trim, extend, offset, fillet, and chamfer, and use grips for quick edits. Practice parametric constraints and dimensions with a tolerance of 0. 1 mm for repeatable parts, applying geometric and dimensional constraints to control behavior. Use layers, line types, and color for organization and export DWG files with separate model and paper space layouts. Then prepare scale 1:1 2 viewports for 2D prints. Learn blocks, dynamic blocks, and attributes for standard components. Transition to 3D solids and surfaces using extrude, revolve, sweep, loft, and Boolean operations. Model to exact dimensions and maintain 1 mm accuracy where required. Validate parts with section views, interference check, and mass properties, then export STEP or SAT files for assembly and CAM workflows. Automate tasks using macros, AutoLisp, and Action Recorder to save roughly 30% of repetitive editing time. Set up templates, title blocks, and a parts library to streamline future projects and maintain version.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.